In this video, we are going to cover experiments, what they are, and how they work in Bloomreach engagement. Experiments are essentially the personalization tool for your website. They allow you to make changes to your website using a simple visual editor without the need to deploy a code on your website. This can significantly decrease your time to value as you can make small changes to your website without relying on your IT department. Experiments work on a similar basis as web layers. You can create multiple variants, show them only to a specific audience, A/B test them, and this way optimize your website. To create an experiment, navigate to Campaigns, Experiments, and Create New. First, choose the URL of the website you would like to modify with experiments. We provide multiple ways of integrating the experiments onto your website, so you can choose the one that best suits your needs. What happens next is that the specified website will open up and you can start experimenting with different elements on the page. As you can see, these are various parts of the web page that we can start to customize. Let's start with a simple example and customize the text and change its color. As we make these changes, the modifications at the top are all tracked in their order and with details of the changes made. Click Preview if you want to see how the modification will appear to your customers. Here, you can also take the changes back or create multiple variants of experiments. There's always a variant called Control Group. This is how your website looks without the changes in any other variant. You can also make more complex changes on your website, such as adding a recommendation block, which is particularly useful for catalog items, moving or deleting the elements, or running the script on the page. Once you're happy with your modifications, save your changes. At this point, you are able to set up the A/B test in the Design tab. You can make final changes in the settings. Here, you can, for example, define your conversion goals. This can be a purchase or any other custom event. Schedule when should the experiments appear, or if they should appear only on a specific URL. You can also define specifically who the audience is. Maybe you want to show the modifications only to specific customers. This depends on what your goals are. Lastly, the evaluation dashboard will display common metrics and analyses, so you can easily track the performance of your experiments. See our documentation for even more information and further recommendations.